Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to set the fingerprint lock in this device. So in this device till now I didn't set any screen lock, just you can say just swipe up, it is unlocked. So I will show you how to set the fingerprint lock in this device. For this, go to settings, then scroll down, tap on security and privacy, then scroll down. Here you can see the option device unlock, tap on this one. Then here you can see screen lock and face and fingerprint unlock. So to set the fingerprint unlock, select the option face and fingerprint unlock. So select the option fingerprint. So before set a fingerprint unlock, we need to set a screen lock, normal screen lock. Tap on continue. So select the password type, numeric, alphanumeric pattern, and okay. So here I am going to select the numeric. Continue. Here we can change the password type also. Here I am going to change the 4-digit password. Confirm the password. Then tap on OK. So this is the fingerprint sensor, you can see here. So put the finger on the fingerprint sensor. That's it, done. Now tap on done. If you want to enroll your face unlock, you can enroll it, otherwise cancel it. Now let me show you how it works. Lock the device. Now you can see the fingerprint scanner is enabled. Just touch the fingerprint scanner, you can see it is unlocked. How it fast, you can see. Tap on this one. You can see, right? So simply in this way you can set the fingerprint lock in this device. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.